Hello guys, this is Ahmad Singh Bagri, and we are talking to about NET UGC NET new subject added. NET UGC NET 2022 exam update Hindu studies 82 second 82 subjects introduced this year. Download syllabus PDF. NTA UGC NET 2020 exam update. This year's University Grant Commission has added Hindu studies and 82 subjects to the NTA UGC NET 2022 exam list. June 2022 December 2021 merged cycle. Okay, so new subject add Hindu studies UGC NET. NET UGC NET 2020 exam new subject added. National Testing Agency in conducting the online registration of the UGC NET June 2020 and December 21 combined exam at its official website UGC NET nta.nec.in till 20th May 2022. UGC NET 2022 exam will be conducted in online mode across various exam centers in India to determine the eligibility for the post as an assistant professor and junior research fellowship in Indian University College. This year's UGC NET Bureau has added one more subject to the list which the candidate can apply. Let's look at the details. So UGC NET exam subject list Hindu studies 822 and subjects introduced this year. UGC NET 2020 exam will be held for 82 subjects at different exam centers across India. A new subject Hindu studies subjects code 102 has been introduced among the list subject. Wide letter this number and NET NTA received from UGC NET Bureau dated 24/3/2022. Okay, so this syllabus and Arab culture studies, anthropology, Arab archaeology, Assam's Bengali, Bodo, Buddhist, Jain, Gandhian peace studies, Chinese commerce, comparative literature, comparative study of religion, computer science application, criminology, defense and strategic studies, Dogri, economics, rural demography, operation development planning, development studies, other subjects, education, electronic science, English, environment science, folk literature, forensic science, geographical, French, German, Gujarati, Hindi, history, home science, human rights duties, Indian culture, Japanese, Kannada, Kashmiri, Koniki, labor welfare, law, library information science, linguistic, Maithili, Malayalam, management, Manipuri, Marathi, mass communication journalism, nationology, conversion, music, Nepali, Udiya, Pali, performing art, dance, drama, theatre, Persian, philosophy, physical education, political science, political including international relation, international studies, defense, strategy, Asian studies, and South Asian studies, Soviet studies, American studies, population studies, mathematics, statistics, Prakriti, physiology, public administration, Punjabi, Rajasthan, Russian, Sanskrit. Sanskrit traditional subject include Jyotish, Navya, Vyakaran, Mimamsa, Navya, Sankhya Yoga, Tulatmak, Darshan, Shankul, Yajurveda, Madhav Vedant, धर्मशास्त्री, साहित्य, पुराना इतिहास, अगम, संथाली, सिंधी, सोशल मेडिसिन, सोशल वर्क, सोशोलॉजी, स्पेनिश, तमिल, तेलुगु, टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्रियल मैनेजमेंट, ट्राइबल, उर्दू, and visual arts including yoga, Hindu studies. This subject, this way added new subjects. Okay, so but what is the variety, what is the limits, what is the master degrees, Hindu studies, this is not clear. So we are understand what is the eligibility of Hindu studies. uh, Fill the form net. Okay, master degrees is compulsory, so this important. So we are watching to this net. Okay, so first papers which is in at first 50 numbers, and paper first. Okay, marks 100 paper, uh, marks 100 first papers, and 50 compulsory. Second paper 100, 2000 marks, total 1050. Second and okay, इसमें teaching aptitude, research, reading comprehension, communication, reasoning, logic reasoning, data interpretation, information communication, people environment, higher education system, government, polity, administrations. Okay, and second paper your subject, choose your subject. Okay, and get to prepare and download PDF syllabus of UGC net sites. Get to prepare your exam. Okay, thank you.